Hola! Let's do some makeup. I'm gonna jump on right in. I'm gonna be taking the Willity. Excuse me? Maybe I shouldn't just jump right on in. Breathe. I'm gonna take the Willita Skin Food, the light one. Not my favourite product. Kind of feel like it's a wee bit overhyped. For foundation, I'm taking the Catrice True Skin Foundation. So this is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. See if you're on a bit of a budget, but you're wanting absolutely flawless skin. See this wee combo? This wee combo right here. You could honestly get these two products for a tenner. £10. So I'm going to apply a wee bit more concealer and just leave that there while I do a wee bit of cream bronzing. I'm going to take this wee one from Studio London. Hello? I've used this before and it's alright, like it's not bad, but hello? So much. Did you know what it is? We're just so spoiled these days with like cream products now being so pigmented and just like boom, pigment straight away, that we've kind of forgot the art of a product being nice and subtle. Oh Jesus! So I'm going to start on my eyes before I finish off the face. I'm going to be taking the Cash Beauty Crystal Nights palette, this one here, and I'm also going to be taking the Colourpop It's a Mood palette. I wanted to do a spotlight eye mainly with these types of shades here, you know, like those really nice whatever this is, greeny yellow golds. Stunning. Her eyes are starting to look better, by the way. I've had her come 4 weeks and it's only been as of recently, the past couple of days, I've been like, huh, that's what colour your eyes are. If you haven't been seeing my previous videos, she has a really, well, she had not a really bad case, but she just had conjunctivitis, and she still has it. And yes, it's been 4 weeks at this point. I think I might actually want to take her back to the vets because this is starting to become abnormal, because her eyes are still weeping. She's still getting a wee bit of discharge, and I'm actually all done of the drops that the vets had gave me for it, and it's not clearing up. So yeah, there's something not right there. And do you know what it is? I just wouldn't like the thought of her being in pain or having any discomfort with it, because you know the way you have like a watery eye, and it's so annoying. That's what she looks like all the time. I'm gonna go into a wee bit of the dark brown dark brown shade, just on one of these wee brushes of mine, and just keeping it quite tight to that lash line and just hacking it on. Switching brushes now and giving it a wee blend. I'm not really caring too much about the centre, by the way, because I'm going to be packing on a shimmer shade, so it's all going to be pretty hidden, but just making sure that the outer corners is all nicely blended and stuff. Going into the Colourpop It's a Mood palette, I'm taking this shade here. It's going to be laying this shade down as a bit of a base to start with. I'm going to go over on top with a couple of pigments, no, shimmer, no, no. Pigments and glitters. Fuck me. I absolutely love this wee pigment. It's actually like a pigment slash glitter from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics in the shade Impressionist. And then I have the Hawaiian Fizz glitter. I have these pressed glitters from Colourpop. It's a wee pressed glitter palette. This is unfortunately discontinued, but what's new? I wonder, will I take a wee bit of this just to see? These ones are really messy. Hold on. Stunning. So I'm just going to take what is on the lid. Oh, The novelty hasn't wore off yet, by the way. I'm still like taking pictures at everything she does. I honestly feel like this is what it's like to have children, I'm guessing. My camera roll at the minute is just her. It's just her. Oh yeah. Do you know, something tells me I've kind of used this pigment to do a spotlight eye already at some stage, but I don't care. This is just beautiful. So I'm going to be taking like the tiniest wee bit of this just at a time. Just patting it on. Making sure to go around those edges and do a wee bit of patting as well. Just so it makes it look a wee more blended and not just like plunked on. And also at the crease. I'm going to do a wee bit of blending, taking a clean brush, just back and forth. It just kind of diffuses it a wee bit. I'm going to take this neon liner from LA Girl in the shade Screaming. Glitter glue, just dotting that all over. I actually changed my waterline eyeliner to this black one. I just wasn't feeling the yellow, it was just looking a wee bit shit. So I'm just going to continue on with skin, taking the Rimmel London highlighter. Just going to take a tiny bit of this, just at the top of my cheekbones. Not taking too much highlight because this wee blush here has a wee bit of shimmer through it, so it'll look quite nice. Oh, we're not done yet. Bless you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Bless you. See, this is the thing as well, she's still sneezing. And I mean, she is sneezing literal boogies. Where our sofa is in the living room, she likes to lie up there in the evenings, and whenever she has the zoomies, she goes wild, right? And she sneezes up there all the time, and I have had to wipe literal, like, human-like green boogies off my wall. And then there's ones that are dried in as well, so I'm going to have to repaint my wall whenever she's like older because it's just boogies. I literally have a wall that's cloudy boogies, and it's literally just on her level where she sits on the sofa. But yeah, she still has the sniffles, she's still sneezing. So this is the Reloaded bronzer from Makeup Revolution. Damn it! I was actually supposed to use one of their new cream blushes. They had sent me a PR package of their new, is it their mousse eyeshadows? Basically their creamy mousse eyeshadows and their new cream blushes. And I was meant to use one today. Oopsies! They're really pretty actually. I'll use them tomorrow. So I just went on ahead there and used this same palette to do my lower lash line. Look at your eye. It's all seeping again. Oh, darling. My wee baby. My wee baby's not well. And I keep annoying you. Oh, darling. I'm so sorry if you don't like cats, by the way, and I'm like talking about her constantly and showing her now in like every video. I do apologise. Oh, darling. You're not well. Sure you're not. No. Yeah. So guys, this does come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.